The Galaxy Z Fold 8 series hidden improvement has just been made public by Samsung. It alters the behavior of the entire foldable display, but you will never see it. And the Z Fold 8 Extreme appears even more extreme than it did yesterday when we combine it with everything that was previously leaked. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 series may bring Samsung's least noticeable crease to date, according to rumors that have been circulating for months. However, Samsung's official announcement reveals that the improvement goes well beyond just concealing the fold line. The new Flex titanium display was formally unveiled by Samsung. However, the substance itself isn't the true improvement. Samsung has relocated it there. And that's the clever part. Samsung has already included titanium into the Z Fold 7 and the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. However, it's considerably closer to the OLED this time. An incredibly thin titanium alloy layer has taken the place of the previous polymer coating. It is 20 times stiffer than previously, according to Samsung. There is another support plate underneath it. Here's the issue, though. It would be difficult to fold a solid plate. In order to keep it sturdy while still bending with the display, Samsung designed microscopic perforations into it. Therefore, using more titanium is not the goal of the design. It involves swapping out one of the weakest layers beneath the OLED with one of the strongest. This is significant since the hinge alone does not produce the fold. The layers beneath the OLED stretch, compress, and eventually settle around the folding area with each fold. When the phone is fully open, the pattern plate gives the screen a more stable base, and the stronger titanium film should distribute that pressure more evenly. Over time, this improvement should prevent the display from sinking as much around the fold. Additionally, when you run your touch over the inside display, it can feel much more like a regular phone display. Additionally, the new display uses far less electricity while delivering greater resolution. Furthermore, the new metal sheet directly beneath the OLED seems to be a true structural improvement, even though Samsung is not the first foldable brand to use titanium to lessen the crease. All of the earlier Z Fold 8 Ultra leaks suddenly make sense. The Z Fold 8 series marketing photos have been released, and they demonstrate how the two Fold 8 models will seem in hand. The normal Fold 8 appears significantly bigger and shorter. The ordinary Z Fold 8 seems to be more than just a less expensive fold with subpar hardware, rather, it has an own identity. The regular fold should be more appropriate for side-by-side multitasking and landscape video because to its shorter and wider form. It might fit in smaller pockets and be more difficult to carry with one hand. Each design has advantages. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.